After you've completed the first couple steps and you've rotated your phone 90 degrees, you should be able to see all 4 cameras up full screen. And if you tap the center of your screen, you should see some numbers on the right hand side: 1, 4, 9, 12, and 16. These are the camera views that you can adjust, and allows you to see where up to 16 cameras would go, so you can view them all at the same time on your app. As you can tell, we only have 4, but you can see where they go. So we're going to tap the center again, and we're going to select 4, so it brings up our 4 camera view. And then we're going to double tap on camera 1, which is our 4 megapixel varifocal dome camera. So as you can see, the camera looks really blurry. That's because it's in a mode called basic. Basic lowers the video quality of how it's streamed to your phone, so you can view 16 cameras at once without it being robot choppy. If you want to view one camera in the high HD mode to see exactly what the camera is sending to your recorder and exactly what you're going to see for recorded video, you want to tap the center of the screen, select basic in your bottom left hand corner, then select HD. As you can tell, it basically clicks over to a HD quality image. So this is the image that you're going to be recording on your NVR. So if we tap the center of the screen, one of the features is the magnifying glass there in the center. That allows us to zoom and move the camera left to right if we want to see something in more detail. So you just touch your finger down, hold it, move it left to right. If you want to zoom in, you take your 2 fingers in the center of the screen and then push them to the left and right. Then you can move it up or down. In this case, we're going to move it to zoom in on that license plate. Then if you want to zoom out, you squeeze in with your fingers from the left and right of your phone. So now we're going to select the center of the screen again and then select 4, so it brings up our 4 screen view, and we're going to double tap on camera number 2. So this is an example of a 2 megapixel indoor camera. You don't need as high a resolution for indoor shots because they're normally not as far. So same thing, this camera is in the basic mode. So we're going to tap the center of the screen once, select basic, and then HD, and this will give you a true 2 megapixel image. One of the other features that you can see is if you tap the center of the screen and you select that camera will take a snapshot of whatever you're currently looking at and save it to your phone. So if you see something that you need to get a picture of right away, you can just tap that real quick and it'll save that shot. If you want to go back and forth between cameras, you just slide to the left, slide to the right, and it'll go back and forth between camera 1 and camera 2.